Hey, what's good, my Panda family? Welcome back to another Thoughtful Tuesdays with your boy, Panda. So today's thought, something quick, something simple. Accept things for what they are. You know what I mean? We, as human beings, we have this concept in our head how things should be or how things should go. Just accept things for what they are, whether good or bad. You know what I mean? And just move on from it. Make no sense for lament pan things, that you have no control over. You understand? So just accept things for what they are, whether good or bad. Keep it moving, you know what I mean? We're only here for a short period of time. So we must live life. Life is made for living, you understand? Do not let life control you. You control your life, you know what I mean? So accept things for what they are, man, and just keep it moving. And that's it for today, Thoughtful Tuesday with your boy, Panda. Yes, I big up on yourself every time. You don't know.